Okay, so to do the linking, go into your Google Analytics, click on the cog menu. We want to be in the admin section. So once you click on that, you'll get the menu going in and out. And then we're going to go all the way down to Search Console link. So you'll find that under Products. So go Products, go down on the left-hand side, Search Console links. And if you've set Search Console up, it should show up. And you're going to want to choose from your existing accounts. I'm going to say choose Seymour. So if I can't find it, I can search. And then we are going to click on this. Seymour Digital Media, you'll see the little checkbox. And then up at the top, you can say confirm. And then it can be linked here. And then you'd go to next. And you'd select the web stream. And then you'd say next. And you would submit. Now, I'm not going to hit submit because this is our just a website, not Seymour Digital Media. But if you'd like to see one done, we can go to, and we can see it linked here. And we just go in here and we can see it's linked. Gives you all the link information. And that is how we do that. And then on Search Console, we'd go to Google Search Console and just log in. And then you would go down to your settings here on the left-hand side, and you're going to see associations. And you can link your Google Analytics here. Looks like we have Google Ads, YouTube. No, and we want to associate Google Analytics. So we're going to find our, okay, we found it. So we're going to associate with our Google Analytics from Search Console to Google Analytics. We're going to click continue, and then we're going to click confirm. Ba-bam. There we go. And now it's connected on both sides. Yet we don't see it yet. We will see it soon to come.